Yeah.
That's not hard to follow, is it, Mom?
No.
Everybody understands that, don't they, Mom?
I get it. I get it.
Yeah, she gets it. Well, get this then. Oh, just a minute. How's this go?
Like that. Just like that.
I get up in the evening. Yeah, I ain't got nothing to say. I come home in the morning. I go to bed, feeling the same way. I ain't nothing but tired. Yeah, I'm just tired and bored with myself. Hey there, baby, I could use a little help. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun is for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark.
This gun is for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark.
Messages keep getting clearer. The radio's on and I'm moving around this place. I check my look in the mirror. Wanna change my clothes, my hair, my face. Man, I ain't getting nowhere. Yeah, I'm just sitting around a dump like this. There's something happening somewhere. Baby, I just know there is. You can't start a fire. Can't start a fire without a spark. This gun is for hire. Even if we're just dancing in, just sitting around getting older. There's a joke in here somewhere and it's on me. I shake this world off my shoulder. Come on, babe, you know the laughs on me. Stay in the streets of this town, and they be carving you up, alright. They say you've got to stay hungry. Hey, baby, I'm just about starving tonight. I gotta get me some action. Sick of sitting around here trying to write this book. I need a little reaction. Come on, baby, give me just one look. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun is for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. This gun is for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. This gun is for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. As the show develops, the Fais night will become a more buoyant. You know, get some more instruments and get it a little bit more frolicky, because I pictured a kind of a, you know, a Frenchy Fais.
Yeah.
You know, everybody's hooping, got a fiddle going,
Yeah.
rug board,
Yeah.
The whole 9 yards.
Yeah.
That's what we got to do.
Yeah.
That's what we will do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get a bunch of Frenchies in there yelling and screaming.
Oh, yeah.
Going real fast. Frenchie. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Gordon Lightfoot.
Big baseball player.
Here we go. That's not. I don't play that down there, do I?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
I do. I had a friend. He was a big baseball player. Back in high school, he could throw that speedball by you, boy. Make you look like a pool boy. Saw him the other night at this roadside bar. I was walking in, he was walking out. We went back inside. We had a few drinks and only kept talking about glory days. Pass you by, glory days. Wink of a young girl's eye, glory days. Glory days. You missed your part.
Oh, whoops. Oh, well. Go down to the well.
No. There's a girl, she lives up the block. Back in school, she could turn all the boys' heads. Sometimes I stop by on a Friday, have a few drinks, before she puts her kids to bed. Her and her husband, Bobby, oh, they split up. Oh, I guess it's 3 years gone by now. We just sit around talking about the old times. She says when she feels like crying, she starts laughing, thinking about
Glory days pass you by, glory days. Wink of a young girl's eye, glory days. Glory days.
glory days.
Glory days. Glory days.
I think I'll go on down the well tonight. I'm gonna drink until I get my fill. I hope when I get real old I don't sit around talking about it, but you know I probably will. Just kicking back, trying to recapture a little of the glory of. You know time slips away, leaves you with none must but the coolest stories of glory days. Pass you by, glory days. Wink of a young girl's eye, glory days. Glory days.
Pass you by,
Glory days.
wink of a young girl's eye, glory days.
Glory days. Glory days. Yeah, well, here's a couple of more glory days coming, Mom, because you know what's coming up now.
What?
Garth.
Oh.
Garth time, Mom.
Ooh.
1990s country music. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, Mom. Yes, it is. And have you thought about it? Hey, what about country and western sax part of the show, Mom? When's that coming?
Just can't think of anything.
Rush attack Turkey Brown Mirror with curious. Oh, day, oh, day, oh, I was feeling the blue, watching the news. There they came on TV. He said, I'm telling you, science is proved, heartaches is healed by the sea. That got me going without even knowing. I got up and drove down. I'm on a roll, I swear to my soul, I'm gonna paint this town. Oh, bring me 2 pina coladas, 1 for each hand. Setting sail on a cabin boat, I ain't never gonna leave dry land. Troubles I forgot, oh, I buried 'em in the sand. Give me 2 pina coladas, say goodbye, you good timing man.
2 pina coladas, and say goodbye to your good timing man.
Oh, now I gotta say, wind waves, moon winking down at me, eases my mind, leaving behind heartache love often brings. I got this smile and it goes on for miles with no inclination to roam. I gotta say things that I'm gonna stay, 'cause this is feeling more like home. Oh, bring me 2 pina coladas, 1 for each hand. Sail on the Captain Morgan, I ain't never gonna leave dry land. Troubles I forgot 'em, yeah, bury me in the sand. Bring me 2 pina coladas, say goodbye, you good time man. Oh, bring me 2 pina coladas and say goodbye, you good time man. I was there doing a little dancing, Ma.
Yeah.
Trying to cheer you up, you know. You look a little down. To me, I don't know. How you feel? You good?
Things are looking up.
Yeah, I found a flock of lost sheep.
Yeah.
I got to get it straightened out because I found this flock of lost sheep, and they go by the name of medical doctors. Yeah. No, they're lost, Ma.
Yeah.
Because the society set them all up in business, and they're not businessmen.
Yeah.
And the people are paying for it.
Yeah.
Doctoring shouldn't be a business.
No.
All right?
Yep.
That's a calling to people.
Yeah.
The healers.
Yeah.
And the people will pay them fine.
Mm-hmm.
But the way it's set up now,
Mm-hmm.
bullshit. I'm
Yep.
pulling it, it's shutting it down.
Yeah.
Changing the system.
Sounds good.
Anyway, that's it. That's the heavy part of the show. Now, you got to sing this song for us right here.
Okay.
You got to do it, Mom. Come on now. You can do it, Mom. Where is it? Way up here?
No, C sharp's fine.
Oh,
We can
C
try
sharp fine?
Yeah, why not?
All right.
Fast?
No, but I can't even think of what it is.
Blame it all on my roots. Showed up in boots. Ruined your black tie affair. Last one to know. Last one to show. I was the last one who thought you'd see there. Yeah, I didn't mean fudge.
So I took his glass of champagne.
I toasted you, said, honey, we may be through.
You'll never hear me complain, for I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away. I'm gonna be okay. Hey, I ain't big on the social graces, gonna slip on down to the oasis. Hey, I got friends, no places.
Yeah, I got friends in low places. Now they had me.
Yes, I was wrong. Live on alone.
But hey,
Hell, I've been there before. Everything is alright. I'll just say goodnight and I'll show myself at the door.
Okay, I know this one. Yeah, I didn't mean cause a big scene. Just give me an hour and then I'll be as high as this ivory tower that you're living at. Cause I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away. I'm gonna be okay. Hey, I ain't big on the social graces, gonna slip on down to the old ways and say I got friends in low places.
Yeah, you better get you some friends in low places. You know, because we all need some friends down in them low places. Low places. I didn't even get to sing a verse.
Yeah, you did.
You stole the whole song. No, you did.
No, you
God, what?
sang most of it.
That'll probably be a good part of the show. They're
Sorry,
all going.
Zanny.
They're all going. Oh, look
Welcome
at
up.
that! They're over there. They're over there. They got all the words wrong. Everything else. You bad little doggy.
How about I hear tell?
I hear tell, doing well. Good things come to you. Wish I had. You know, this is a song for the Hillary people. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Wish I had your good luck charm. You had
do, I could 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 do. Hey, you're driving down the road in your big Cadillac. You got the girls in the front, you got the girls in the back.
Way in the back, you got the money in the sack. Both hands on the wheel, shoulder right back. A rappy up, a poppy up, a poppy up, boy. I hear tell, doing well. Good things come to you. I wish I had your good luck charm. And you
had to do, I could 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 do.
Yeehaw. Okay, it's time to go walking in the sunshine, sing a little sunshine song. He's got my put his mouth on your face as if nothing wrong. Put a smile on your face if he licks your arm.
Yeah.
I got better words than that, but it's something I got. Think about a good time we had a long time ago. Think about forgetting about your worries and your woes. Walking in the sunshine, sing a little sunshine song. So let's all go.
Hold on. Walking a little sunshine, sing a little sunshine song. Because his name is Sunny. He needs a dog. You gotta take him for walks.
Walk a little sunny. Walk a little sunny shine. Yeah, walk a little sunny shine. Sing a little sunny shine song. So let's all go walking in the sunshine. Sing a little sunshine song. Friday night pay doo-doo, Mom. It's the Friday night pay doo-doo. It'll get bigger and better all the time. Now, just a minute. I better not say that in case it's smaller and worse. Don't want to let them down. It's just an old country radio show. Live performance country radio show, Ma. So, and keep the cards and letters coming in with those really, really interesting questions like, why can't I poop? And are women just men with their dick cut off? Or whatever, you know. Yeehaw! Keep the cards and letters coming in. We'll see you in the funny papers. And have a good one. 2